Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13T Pro, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So in this video I'd like to show you two different ways of blocking the number. We can block the number which we've got currently saved and the number which, for example, just called us, etc. So let's start with opening the dialer, tapping on it, and I will start with the contacts. Let's find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it, and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to tap on block numbers, and as you can see, our device will ask us if we really want to do it, because we will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. So just tap on block, and as you can see, we've got this characteristic icon, which means that the number is blocked. Of course, we can unblock it the same way, just by tapping unblock numbers, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will appear on the blacklist. So the second way of blocking the number requires entering the settings. So it does not really matter whether you will be on the contacts, recents, or the favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Here in the general section, we've got the blocked numbers, so let's tap, and as you can see, this is the number we just unblocked from our contact list, so the previous option also works. And this option does not require you to have the number saved, because you can simply tap on add a number, and you can either enter it manually or simply paste it if you've got it copied. Let's tap on block after entering, and as you can see, it will immediately appear on the blacklist, which again means that you will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. Of course, you can unblock both numbers just by tapping on this X button right next to the particular number, and they will immediately disappear. In this section, you can also customize this unknown option. You can turn it on and turn it off just by tapping on the switcher, and you can decide whether you want to allow your device to block calls from all unidentified callers. It's up to you. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.